Hello hunters, I welcome you all to our another video where we introduce you about our new hirings. So in today's video we have Spareshub as our new hiring and it is hiring for the position of sales executive garage sales. The job role is basically generating automobile spare parts requirements from garages through calls and the field visits. It's also about achieving the sales monthly sales targets. Let's move on to the incentive part. So the hiring incentive for the particular job role this time is 11,980. The interview incentive is 500 and the profile incentive is 100 per candidate, which matches our hiring criteria profiles. The number of vacancies here is 4 and you have a chance of earning 50,000 in a single day if you are lucky enough. Let me explain you the hiring criteria for the job role. The company name is Spareshub and the job role is Sales Executive Garage Sales. The vacancy, as I mentioned, is 4. The experience required for the particular job role is 2 to 4 years. It should not be less than 2 and the experience type we need is B2B direct sales. The candidate must know how to deal with the businesses and the direct sales. He must have some experience in this field. The language required is Hindi, English and Marathi as well, because the office location is Pune and the domestic language is also required. The fixed CTC for the particular job role is 3 to 5 lakh per annum. It is not more than 5 and not less than 3. And it all depends on how eligible you are. And the age criteria should not be more than 31 years and not less than 25 years. The work mode here is on site and the education is can be any graduate, but if he has some experience in direct sales it is lucky and has more chance to get into the hiring process. The timing shift is as per Indian standard, but the candidate is required to travel 5 days a week in case it required. And the industry can be of any industry, but if he must have some sort of experience in the direct sales, as I mentioned. So if you have any such profiles, please let us know. And we are looking forward for some amazing profiles. Thank you.